Imagine you're working in a global company in the US, and you need to transition a large, complex process to another country overseas. As a transition manager, you are faced with the daunting task of capturing the process and the tacit knowledge of many processes. As you are armed with Epiplex technology, you feel reassured about capturing and documenting the SME's knowledge accurately. Epiplex allows you to do your transition in two modes: by you traveling on-site to the customer location and using the zero-footprint capture and developer engine, or by using the remote capture technology. You decide to use the remote capture technology for the first batch of transitions. As a first step, you need to identify the subject matter expert whose process knowledge is going to be captured. Then you push the plug-and-play capture to their desktops. Capture can be done with or without their knowledge. You decide to capture all the processes for 2 days. You can set up the capture to start automatically from 8 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. in the evening. Since you are bound by privacy laws, you include only those applications that are relevant to the process. Email, chat are excluded. Also, you can inform the SME about the capture process before they start their work. As the capture starts working, it automatically excludes applications that are not part of the SME's process and performs an in-depth process recording with step images. The captured information is then streamed to a central repository system. After the process capture, the intelligent filter is automatically applied to the process files. It filters all the stray capture steps, like unwanted user navigation on the application. Simultaneously, the sensitive information masking filter masks any confidential data, such as account number and password, to ensure the process file is safe to share. SME can define all the possible process variations in a single captured file. You review the process based on various filters and automatically batch them up for creation of SOPs. Automatic workflows for the process are created and embedded to the process file, describing the high-level process with step counts and duration for each process blocks. In the repository, you have already set up an approval process for the capture and the sign-off of the SOPs. Once you are down with the capture review, an email notification goes to the relevant stakeholders so that they can review the capture. Once the captured process is approved, you can go ahead and create SOPs and get the sign-off. Centralized repository helps in version control of files with change management. You have now completed the entire process at a fraction of time that would have otherwise required a significantly longer time when done manually. You are confident that all the steps have been captured, irrelevant steps have been excluded, and the SOP formats are in the required standard. Epiplex 500 Rapid Transition Kit helps organizations with rapid and automated extraction of process knowledge from large user groups, reducing customer intrusion for accurate and detailed process capture, eliminating on-site travel for process transition, automated creation of SOP documents resulting in 80% time savings and reducing overall process transition time by 60 to 70%.